Thank you for watching our video. This is Attorney Singh with the Singh Law Firm, and today's video is going to be on estate taxes. Estate taxes is a type of a death tax that's imposed on estates valued above whatever the federal exemption amounts are that we're allowed to transfer upon death. The IRS, or the federal government, sets these federal exemption amounts, and as of now, as of 2016, the federal exemption amount for individuals is scheduled at $5.45 million, and for a married couple, it's scheduled at $10.9 million. And what this means is that if you're an individual and you pass and your net estate is valued above $5.45 million, the federal government wants a tax that is going to be imposed on the delta above that $5.45 million, and that scheduled rate is going to be a 40% tax imposed on the delta. And if you're a married couple and you pass and the value of your estate's above $10.9 million, the federal government wants to impose a tax on that delta, again, with that 40% tax rate. Now, there are several ways that we can utilize estate planning to limit or eliminate these death taxes. And one way, in a very simple way, you can start to utilize this is when you set up your living trust, you definitely want to talk to your attorney and explain to them the value of your estate and what kinds of assets you are utilizing to calculate that. And they can also provide some of their knowledge to help you calculate the number. Then the type of living trust you'd set up could either be a disclaimer trust or a Q-tip trust. That's your initial step to help you reduce or minimize taxation in the long run. A second route would be starting a gifting strategy today. The federal government also allows us to gift on an annual basis a certain amount. And as of now, as 2016, that rate is at $14,000 per person per year. So let's say husband and wife have 2 children. Husband can gift to child A $14,000 and wife can gift to child A $14,000. So for that one child, the couple can gift $28,000, and to the other child, same thing, another $28,000. The family, husband and wife, can gift out of their estate a combined $56,000 for 2 children, and they do not have to pay a gift tax. That is a gift tax, and that does not also eat into the federal exemption. So if I were a married couple and my wife and I have $10.9 million and we gifted $56,000 in that 1 year to our 2 children, we still hold intact that $10.9 million federal exemption. But if we gift more than we're allowed to in that fiscal year, more than that $56,000 to the 2 kids, which is that $14,000 per person, then we're eating into a little bit of that federal exemption in the long run. So gifting strategies can be utilized in conjunction with some form of an irrevocable trust, whether it's a minor's trust or it's some form of a crummy trust, as well as dynasty trust. We can set up GRATs, which are grantor retained annuity trusts. There are a plethora of different types of irrevocable trusts we can set up to help reduce these taxes that could be due on your estate. We'll have other videos on precise subjects for those irrevocable trusts, and they'll be specific to those types of trusts. Today's primarily on estate taxes. So estate taxes are due on estates valued above a certain amount. You can visit the IRS's website to get the most up-to-date amounts for those federal exemptions if you go directly to this website here. You definitely want to have a good understanding on the value of your estate, the type of estate plan you've established, and want to make sure that this is crystal clear to your attorney so your attorney's on board, and if you have a CPA, to possibly bring them into the loop on a discussion when it comes to your estate taxes, so your attorney, your CPA, and yourself can help you better understand how to eliminate these estate taxes, reduce that burden in the long run, and what different types of estate planning vehicles your family can utilize. Definitely visit our website to get more information on estate taxes, irrevocable trusts, and other aspects of estate planning. Feel free to give our office a call to understand and learn more. We're always here to help. We deal with this type of estate planning day in and day out. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.